big round of applause, please.
We will start with Director Membership, Ibrahim Valentine.
Applause for
Director Fundraising, Gina Francis. We will call forward Director Community Service, Guillaume Martezot. Director PR Webmaster, Chas Lawrence.
This is an opportunity for me to go a little bit out of my comfort zone, but still I am in my comfort zone because I love to speak in front of people.
I will call the Treasurer, Christopher Marcera. Now we will call the Secretary, Aris Nicholson. And we will call the Vice President, Corbin Pourier. And last but not least, I will call the President, JeadaKocks.
Being the president wasn't an easy job, but like we're struggling, we're getting through it. And we struggled with Corona. We had to like stay home and like be on screens, and people didn't come to the meeting or they're late, or I had to like plan stuff. Even through all of those struggles, we're still here. Look at how far we came. We're like at our installation. I mean, look at the kids. The parents should like be really proud of them because they're amazing. They're like doing all these stuff for like the community and the school and like being kind. Yeah, so thank you.
The pledge you guys have to recite every single time when you're in your meeting is not just a pledge. It will be the seeds that will go in your mind and then go in your heart. It will be a very important aspect of who you will become later on in life. If you hold on to those values, I'm sure you will become great leaders, not just of this community, but of the world. You have an obligation to become a blessing to someone else. You guys will be formed into our leaders. Being a leader is not about being popular. It's about doing the right thing, even when it's unpopular. Learn as much as you can learn, but always, always, always remain humble.